Hi, my name is Steve. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a strategy I use for trading pairs that are actually on a long trending streak. And this one is using trend lines. Let's have a look at the chart and I'll go over the details. Here I'm looking at right now is Euro Yen, and as you can see, looking on the monthly chart, this is at an all-time high at the moment, and we can see here that the time scale on MT5 goes back to January 1999, so this is over a very long period of time. Now what I'm going to do is a top-down analysis, starting with the monthly and going down to the weekly, daily and the 4-hour chart as well. And we can see even on the weekly chart, it's been on an uptrend for quite a while. This was basically all of 2025 on an uptrend, slight pullback at one stage in the middle of the year, but that's about it. Looking on the daily chart, we can see here that for let's see, this is the month of January we're in now. We were on an uptrend, but we do have a pullback just on the last day of this week, so that was on Friday, and this is where we're going to start thinking about drawing trend lines now as well. So going down to the 4-hour chart is where I'm going to be looking for an entry, and we can even refine that down to the 1-hour chart if we want as well. But let's start with the 4-hour chart and draw some trend lines. We don't have to go way back to like 6 months or anything like that, just maybe a few months, and just draw some trend lines to see what we can come up with here. So all we need is, look, I've got 3 touches here on this trend line. So this was back in October. We touched it again in let's see, beginning of January, so the first week in January. We touched it again the second week in January, and now we're coming back again now in the 3rd week of January for another touch. So I'm looking for a bounce on this pair, and I'm going to draw an upper limit as well, so we can get a bit of an idea of where we can actually aim for a target. And the thing we're looking at now is our entry point. We are about to touch this now, so I'm looking at hopefully beginning of this coming week we should get maybe a turnaround. So we just need some sort of a indication that we're going to change direction, sort of like we had here a week or 2 ago. And you can see here we touched the trend line, and then we had a few green candles. So we're looking for something here. I would like to see a nice pin candle, or an engulfing candle would be all right. Here we actually had an engulfing candle. That was a good setup. This one we didn't have an engulfing candle, but we did have let's say 4 green candles consecutively. So we can look for some sort of a turnaround pattern, even like a 3 candle strike where we've got like 2 red candles, or 3 red candles followed by a green candle, sort of like this setup here. That would be enough to enter long. I'm guessing the entry point will be somewhere around this level, depending on when we actually get the actual turnaround. But this is where we're expecting this one to go. Entry being somewhere around here, the stop loss will go below the swing lows, so that's about 100 pips, maybe 110 pips, and the take profit would be somewhere up around this area, so about 240, 250 pips perhaps. So we're looking at least a 2R trade on that one on the 4-hour chart, and that would probably take a couple of days to play out. So that's it, just a quick overview of this strategy that I do use on trending pairs. And just leave a comment below. Do you trade with trend lines, or have you tried it and any success or no success? Just let me know. And if you like this sort of content and would like to see more, hit the like and subscribe, and watch out for my next video. Thank you.